Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's the Discover Boss Rush. We're back at the 76 RHR Business Center. It's a plaza development along with a business process outsourcing building, what we call a call center. One of those will also be on the property. The financing bank is Bank, and that's a glimpse of the final design right there. So we're seeing retail shops, restaurants, offices, and so the BPO is to the back. Essentially 4 floors. So that's the BPO complex right there. Alright, so we're just taking a quick look, a quick update on this project. We did like 1 or 2 video already on it. Details there as well. Someone had reached out to me at one point asking about leasing queries, so that's where you get all the information if you're interested in a shop or leasing a space over there. So they missed the September 2021 deadline. You know, every development I've covered ironically has missed their deadline, to be honest. And you guys that have been here from day one know I cover a lot of development. So I'll put the link for the very first video I did on this complex in the comments section so you guys can see where this is coming from. It's not yet finished, but it's getting there. It's right in front of the prestigious Calabar High School, Rabalak. If any Calabar past student watching, just put Calabar in the comment section. I'll send up the drone as well, so of course it's a drone video, so you guys can definitely get some drone shots. Alright guys, so it's just a quick update, so you guys definitely stay tuned for the drone shots. Remember to subscribing is completely free. Remember to like the video, leave a comment, and definitely share as well. So really appreciate the support from you guys. So I guess this section will have some metal work, some unique design. I like when these new builds, these new construction don't just come out normal as the rest of them, but they come out with some very unique design. Kind of like the new Fesco gas station and ferry. That design for their office and restaurant is very unique. I think the 39W apartment complex has a very unique design as well. There's also a new Fesco gas station on Beechwood Avenue that I need to go review for you guys. That's just open. It also have a unique design for the shop area, so I need to go review that for you. So there was a new Fesco and ferry. I already covered that video. It's not yet completely finished because the Taste the Restaurant is not there as yet. And then there's another new Fesco on Beechwood. They did an IPO, so they have money to spend. So they're doing good as a gas station retailer, Fesco, a Jamaican owned gas company, so definitely support that. Alright guys, so definitely wait for the drone video. You'll see sections of the Calabar High School over here, and you'll get some aerial shots of this development as well. Really appreciate the support. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share. Lots of development in Kingston. You know, somebody once commented and said, you know, everywhere they look is another crane they see, or it's another, you know, new development. So lots going on. I try to cover all of them, or as many as I can. I think I'm doing a good job in keeping you guys posted. What you guys think? Let me know if I need to step it up a notch. So it's the 76 RHR Business Center. And I guess the steelwork section we saw is that section in the corner there. Let me zoom in for you guys. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it properly. That section there. I guess that's the steelwork they're working on right now. Alright guys. So again, similar to a lot of other development, we have a mixture of Chinese and Jamaican workers. You know, from China Harbour Engineering did the Palisadoes project. They have been getting most of the contracts, probably because of their costs for completion, probably because of their experience, probably because of their know-how. But you know, they are all doing a lot of the local contractors. And I would say probably 70%, if not 90% of sites that I visit is a mixture of Chinese workers and Jamaicans. So China Harbour and its subsidiary is really doing a big work in Jamaica. Alright guys, let's set up the drone. Stay tuned, have fun, enjoy watching.